Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government as well as the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the guest faculty recruitment notification from one of the state university. And here the application fee as well as the written examination, both these two are not there for the selection procedure. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the state university recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Ravenshaw University, and from this one here we got the guest faculty recruitment notifications in the self-financing department as well as the regular department. So I'm going to show you both these two notifications. So coming to the first one, the engagement of guest faculty in the different departments. Okay, and here the eligibility criteria for the assistant professor as per the mentioned subjects. Okay, UGC regulations 2010 published in the Gazette of India. That means as per the UGC regulations, the guest faculty recruitment notification, that means whatever the eligibility criteria is there, okay, those criteria you should meet here, guys. And coming to the remuneration for the guest or the visiting faculty is 1000 rupees per teaching hour, and the subject to maximum of 35,000 rupees per month you will get. And the candidates are required to send the filled in prescribed application form, which is enclosed here, and I will show you the application form also, guys. Okay, to ruapplication@ravenshaw.university.ac.in on or before 10th of December 2021. And the applicants must enclose the self-attested photocopies of mark sheets, certificates of degrees and other relevant documents with their application form. And the applicant must enclose the 3 best research papers or the publications along with the application form, if any. And hard copies of the complete application form along with the documents or research papers or publications must reach the office of Chairperson PG Council Administrative Block, Ravenshaw University on or before 13th of the December 2021. And the engagement of guest faculty is purely temporary, so it will be for initially 1 year or the filling up of the substantive post, whichever is earlier. And the engagement of guest faculty or the visiting faculty is subject to the vacancy in the respective departments, and the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. So here the subjects, the date of interview and the time of interview is mentioned here. You may check down, and all the applicants whoever are there, they're required to report the venue 1 hour before the interview. Got it? So botany, chemistry, geography and geology 16th December morning 9 o'clock. And education, philosophy, statistics 17th December morning 3 o'clock, and afternoon 3 o'clock is also there. And coming to the English ODR, the 18th December 10 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Political science is on the 20th December morning 10 o'clock. Okay, and what are the documents you need to bring while coming to the time of interview is that original certificates and mark sheets, experience certificates and the copies of the publications, if any. Okay, and it is the one recruitment notification, and second one is from the self-financing departments. So from this one also here we got the few recruitment few subjects recruitment notification, guys. So here also the 1000 rupees per teaching hour, maximum up to 35,000 rupees per month. So candidates are required to send the filled in application form to this provide mail ID, same on or before 10th December, and the hard copy on or before 13th December. Okay, so each and every instruction is same as the previous one, and the date and time of interview as well as the subjects are also mentioned here. So computer science 18th December afternoon 12 o'clock, journalism and mass communication 20th December afternoon 12 o'clock, rural development 20th December afternoon 3 o'clock, and business administration 21st December afternoon 12 o'clock. Okay, and these are the things you need to bring up, guys. And coming to the application form for the guest faculty, if you click on this one and then you will be directed to this PDF format. So download this one and fill up all the complete details. So send the documents whatever they are asked, one copy to the provided, soft copy to the provided email ID and a hard copy to the provided address. So here the particulars are name, father's or husband's name and email and phone or WhatsApp number or permanent address, okay, date of birth and gender, nationality and mother tongue and other languages known, any social category, and academic qualifications are it starts with the high school, intermediate, bachelor's degree, postgraduate, MPhil, PhD, NET or others. If you don't have the PhD, then just left blank. Okay, if you have the NET, then just please mention in which year you passed and what is your subject and how much marks you got. Just mention all these things. Okay. And if you are having the MPhil or PhD or anything, then just mention here. Otherwise, leave that empty. So teaching experience, how many years are there, and institution affiliation with the designation last you served, and how many number of research publications or papers or articles or books are there. So you need to furnish all the list of the documents enclosed here and the declaration to be signed by the candidate. Fine. So these are the particulars mentioned here, guys. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so that you can able to get the accurate and the more details. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And